What's up, you guys? Bubba Sawyer here, coming at you live once again from my channel. Today we got a video here. This dude brought in 2 chainsaws. He called me, asked me if I still work on them, which I said I don't. You know, I don't do repair, but occasionally I do. I don't do it full time no more or whatever. But I told him bring them up. He brought them up and left them. The Stihl 021. I've had 2 of these. These is good saws. One I made into a skin and bones. It used to be black with a silver handlebar. Then it was the red. Made an Excalibur hybrid. Anyway, Gerald. This is like my old one I had that I got rid of. But he brought these in. Deal was gas leak. Run, didn't run. So I got the adjustments on this. I did the adjustments by ear, by listening. I didn't look up nothing online. Fixed this little tit doodad there. Had a big fuel line on it and had it all knotted up. It was still leaking, so I fixed all that, plugged it. Didn't bother cleaning them because this guy cuts with them a lot. This in here was leaking. Same deal there. There's 2 holes, one for a fuel. I don't know what the other hole was. There was nothing there, so I run the screw in there and plugged it. Cleaned the air filter. Got them both running fairly good. I'll start them up here for you. We'll start with the Stihl 021. Chain brake for safety. There's that one. And here's the old Craftsman pull-on. Start him up. Yep. Got these 2 old saws running. Looking for a good firewood cutting saw. Here's a couple good ones. Thanks for watching, guys.